What's up, guys? See, I got a new haircut. Looking good. So because I didn't like that foam soap dispenser thing on that little power washer, I ordered a new one on Amazon. It's this one right here. Put a link in the description, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up because it came today. Free 2-day shipping. And this is the old Dusichin, or Dusichin, I don't know how you say it. Made in China. This is about $14, $15, something like that. Got you a little soap bottle, piece of paper, and your nozzle. So the reason I got this one is because this has the quick release. So you can plug your high pressure in on here. And I think we're missing that tube in here. Before I threw my box, check it out. There's the tube. That's what I was looking for. So let's stick our tube on here. There it is. So we're gonna hook it up to our $99 pressure washer and see if we get some good foam on it. Okay, and we'll be using the same car wash soap. So let's go to it. All right, guys, we're gonna be using the super foaming turtle wax. So we're gonna go ahead, pour a little in here. From what I've seen, I think you just put some in there like that, and then you put some water in her. That's the trick. Okay, so let's go fill this up with water and hook it to our nozzle. We got our little quick connect here. That has our little quick connector at the tip. So this is where the foam bottle will go. Just like this. All right. So this has an adjustable knob on the top for the soap. And also you're able to, it says move the tip, but we're gonna leave it like this and kick it on. So let's give it a whirl. I can already tell it's gonna be cool. Let's get a good look here. There's my girl. Let's check her out. Come here, tell me what you think about this foaming action.
Better than the other one, for sure.
Foam's pretty good. Check it out. Let's take a look at the foam here. So you see, it's working pretty good. So this $99 pressure washer is at like 1.2 gallons a minute. And all the foam cannons, I think, want a minimum of 2. But the way it looks like it's working pretty good. Let's check it out, Levi. Go ahead, Levi.
It's heavy.
Let it rip, buddy. No, no. You crazy? No, hey. No more. No more. This one, you got an adjustable nozzle up here to let more or less soap in. And you could also turn the tip of the nozzle whether you want more of a straight stream or if you want it fanned. So let's check it out. You twist the tip up here. More of a straight tip. So let's go ahead and add more soap by turning it to the right. Now let's adjust the tip here. pretty good layer of foam there. Get all that soap in there. Set it up good. Alright guys, so we're out back. Got my shirt off and we're gonna do the Irish Spring Soap Sud. Something like that. Okay, so we got our foam cannon. Bottle of original scent Irish Spring. Let's go ahead, we're gonna add some here. We're not gonna do a whole lot because I just don't wanna waste it. We're gonna add a little water to this. Let's see if it foams up. Alright, so there it is. Uh-oh.
You're like that.
Hold on. So we're gonna put our foam nozzle that the pressure washer came with, because we know there's nothing in it. So I'm just gonna rinse off with it. All right. That was a good cleaning. Doesn't foam like the car wash does, but it does smell good, and it did foam. So I think I'd give that one a thumbs up for a quick wash down after a long night. What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down? All right. Thank you everybody for watching this video on the 5150 Gringo Garage on the water cannon I got on Amazon. Both my thumbs are up on this one. It feels really well built. This is solid brass with the brass cap on it. It's got good fittings. It's gonna probably last a while, you know. It actually feels well built. So, like I said, link will be in the description on this thing. So I would recommend this thing to anybody if you got a pressure washer, and it works, you know, as you saw, with a $99 pressure washer that doesn't have, you know, the most power out there. But I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna enjoy it, and you know, thank you everybody who has subscribed lately. I mean, I've been getting a lot of subscribers, a lot of viewers, and you know, it makes me excited because I like, you know, making these videos for y'all, and it just shows me that you guys are interested in them. And for all the people that gives me all the thumbs downs and says mean things, thank you too, because that just gave me more views, and it just lets me know you're watching my channel too. So thank you. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video.